Alright guys, so I'm back here with the HD 1080p Eyewear video recorder device here and the user manual. Now, when you look at these things, it's hard to tell what you're supposed to do with them. The instruction kind of implies that you're supposed to somehow open up this over here with a screwdriver, but I don't even know if that's true or not, but we'll kind of find out. If it is kind of hard to unscrew these things because they say that you're supposed to put in some kind of micro SD card, and watch those screws. Those screws are absolutely tiny, almost as small as the screws you find inside Apple devices, which again, if you have big fat manly fingers, you will struggle with this part. Now on the inside, what I see here is a battery. I do not see a place where I can insert the micro SD card, so that was a failure right there. So I'm gonna do myself a favor and close this up immediately before I mess with wires and anything like that. So no, I was incorrect. That's not where you put in the micro SD card. I kind of wish that it would have been a little bit more intelligently designed and easier to understand what to do. The instructions are clearly not very intuitive. Alright, and this is gonna be really hard with big fingers. Oh my goodness. Alright, well, there we go. Totally screwed it up. Okay, so that hopefully went in because the other one did not. Let's try that again. I hope I didn't break it just by unscrewing it. That would be really sad. Alright, so forget what I said at the beginning of the video. Do not open that up. That's for the battery. If you ever need it, replace that. So where do we put the micro SD card? This is for the charging. So it has that kind of connector there. And I don't think that you'd want to open up this side since it has a sticker right there. But what other options do we really have at this point? Because when I look at the instructions, and you'll see that yourself in here, it does talk about there being a TFT. There we go, TFT. Sorry, just TF card. So it says press the power button on 2 seconds. The red light on the device enters into the standby state. Please insert the TF card first. But where? SDTF card. Oh, you know what? I figured it out. Maybe not. Oh, there it is. There it is, right there. Okay. Problem solved. Thanks for watching, guys.